Hello guys, welcome. Now we see the chapter name 3D Geometry by Mukunda. Now first, we know that the graph of like this of y-axis and this is the x-axis. And another one also is there that is called the here. This is known as the z-axis. Okay. Now the 3D means we know the figures examples of cube, cuboid, cone. Now we see the how the 3D figures are there and what is the geometry of these figures. Geometry means we know that the just like simple formulas of the midpoint and distance and section formula. We see the all formulas of this. Now, one second. We see the diagram. We're drawing one of the figure here. This is the x-axis and this is the z-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the figure. See here the coordinate graph is there. We can see that the graph. Now we see the formulas of this. First go to the main, we want to know the distance formula. Distance formula. Now the formula distance is, we have so many ways to calculate. For the two-dimensional, means 2D figure, we wrote the formula under root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. But in 3D, not like that. The formula goes to, because here only p of point x comma y, q of x2 comma y2, x1 comma y1. But here not. Black pen yaad. Ujita, black pen ko. Here we have the p of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2, c of z1 comma z2 y2. Please wait. Now we see as like not this like okay. Formula is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1. This is the formula. Now we see somewhat application. For example, a of point 2 comma 3 comma 1 and b of point minus 2 comma minus 3 comma minus 1. Then find 8 distance. How we can find that the solution? What is our formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Here what is x, what is y, we don't know. This is the x, y, z. x2, y2 and z2 means minus 2 already is there. Minus 2 whole square plus now y2 means minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square under root of 4. Now 16 plus minus 3 minus 9 whole square is goes to 81 minus 1 just like plus 1 only. The both have under root 81 plus 16 plus 1 7 8 9 98 equal to root 98 units. This is not area, that's why we not kept the square units. Now we see the section formula of this one, and we saw some examples also. Now we used to see the section formula. Tomorrow we will explain about the sine rule and cosine rule and some of its major problems. This is the line, and we have some of the here M and N, and then find the point of P of question mark, and the A of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and B of x2 comma y2 comma z2. Then the formula equal to P equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n comma m z2 plus n z1 by m plus n. This is the formula when the ratio m is to n. Now we see of this one, and another formula also is there. This is, we can say that the section formula of this, and we have to see the midpoint also. Midpoint equal to, for 2D figures we take the x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. This is the formula. For 3D, one of the z1 and z2 will be added, so that's why x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2. This is the formula. And now we see the examples of this one. Now we see examples. In this the question is goes to the question we will write first of all the coordinate of a point which divide the line joining the point P of 2 comma 3 comma 1 and Q of 5 comma 0 comma 4 in ratio of m is to find the m. Okay, now we will find the m according to using the section formula. Okay, first we draw the line. In the line m equal to question mark, so just n equal to 2. This is the point A and this is the point P, T of 2 comma 3 comma 1 and Q of 5 comma 0 comma 4. Now see, the formula is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n comma m z2 plus n z1 by m plus n. This is the formula. Now we apply m, we don't know, like that only, and x2 goes to 0, means 0 plus n x1 means it goes the 2 into 4 by m plus n comma m by 2 m, like that only, m, sorry, 5 m here 0 plus n by 1 2 3 the 6 by m plus 2 m plus 2 comma m x2 m 4 plus now we see 5m plus 4 by m plus 2 comma 6 by m plus 2 comma 4m plus 2 by m plus 2 equal to 3 comma 2 comma 2. This is mentioned in question only. 5m plus 4 by m plus 2 equal to 3 by 1. Let's do the cross multiplication. 3m plus 6 equal to 5m plus 4. Now we transfer 5m minus 3m plus 4 minus 6. 2m. 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. This is cancel. M minus 1. This is the concept. And now we see the another question. The coordinate of point which equidistant point a comma 0 comma 0 and 0 comma a comma 0. Find midpoint, and the formula goes to x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2 comma z2 plus z1 by 2, and apply the values. Here x2 is a, x1 is 0, a by 2 comma, and y2 is 0, it's the b by 2 comma, and the z1 is 0, z2 also 0, 0 by 2 0 only. This goes to the a2 by b2. This is the thank you.